All right, here we are today to try and fix another problem. This actually is a pretty cool piece. This is a rocking love seat, but it has power recline in it. So here you can see, I don't know if you can see down here, that the light is coming on, but it's not working. We have three options in this one. This just has power recline. There's no power headrest, so it's just simple things. Power supply, button control, and a motor. This is the motor. This is a replacement button control. And then we have a power supply. We are going to flip it up on its face and see what the problem is. Clevis pin actually is the easiest because it's pull out a root pin, stick the clevis pin in and out, makes it really easy. Get this guy out, and we're just gonna put the new guy in. I'm just gonna root pin this guy here while I'm here so that I don't have it jiggle out on me. And we'll plug it in and make sure it's working. Okay, so now that we got it flipped up on its side, make sure that it's working. You can see on this guy, I'm working here, we are working. So a simple motor fix, we're back in business.